In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy items with a PayPal account using the online marketplaces Racket.ph and GW.DragonPay.ph. We'll go through the process step by step so you can shop for unique and creative products with ease and confidence. Let's get started. Firstly, let's visit the Racket.ph website where you can explore an array of unique products crafted by talented Filipino creators. This platform is a great place to find items that are both innovative and supportive of local businesses. Once you've found something that catches your eye, it's time to make your purchase. On the product page, look for the Buy Now button. This initiates the purchase process. Clicking this button will start you on your journey towards securing that special item you've chosen. After clicking Buy Now, you'll be redirected to the payment options provided by DragonPay. Here at DragonPay, you'll notice a drop-down menu that reads Select a Payment option. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of payment methods. Look for an option labeled PYPL, which represents PayPal. This is the option you'll need to choose to proceed with a PayPal payment. Once you've selected PayPal, you'll continue through DragonPay's payment portal. At this stage, you might see further confirmation prompts on the screen. Don't hesitate to click on any highlighted areas where you see clear paths to navigate forward. This ensures you're following the correct procedure within the payment gateway. The next steps may involve additional highlights in the checkout interface. These highlights are part of the interface designed to guide you through the process, ensuring you don't miss any crucial steps. Be meticulous and pay attention to any highlighted areas, as they are often prompts that require your interaction or confirmation. Typically, one of these highlighted areas would be to approve the transaction. By clicking through these highlighted sections, you're essentially giving the go-ahead for your purchase and finalizing your transaction. After you complete this sequence, you should receive a confirmation that your purchase has been successful, along with any relevant receipts sent to the email tied to your PayPal account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to effortlessly purchase products on Racket.ph using your PayPal account via the DragonPay payment gateway. Shopping online can be a breeze when you know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.